response you get from an AI tool is only as good as the instructions you give it. So here's how to craft an effective AI prompt. So in this video, we're going to look at prompting best practice, and I've got some really great tips for you. In particular, we're going to look at what makes an effective prompt, and I'm going to provide you with 6 elements that you can focus on to create that quality prompt. A quality prompt is really important because that's the input to your AI tool, and this has a dramatic effect on the output from the AI tool, that is the AI tool's response, so it's important to get right. Now, these best practice techniques apply across the board, so whether you're using ChatGPT, Copilot or Gemini, these elements will be very powerful for you. So without further ado, let's get into these elements, and we're going to use the example of a small bakery, a typical local small business. So anatomy of an effective prompt. First off, it's really important to know what your goal is. What's your objective? What are you actually looking to achieve by working with the AI on this occasion? So an example would be create a social post to promote my bakery's new product. So the promotion of the bakery's new product is the key thing here. When you're writing a prompt, important to provide as much background information as you can, relevant background information or context. So, for example, local bakery targeting neighborhood customers. You're specifying your audience. Very powerful technique is to ask the AI tool to assume a role or persona. So, write as a friendly local business owner. Style and tone are important. So, warm, inviting, and community focused. Specifics include the format, length, and any other requirements. So we're going to specify which social network, Instagram. Going to ask the AI tool to include captions and a call to action, and to limit the caption or the post to 300 characters. If you can, provide examples. So you can provide examples of the format that you're looking for, or even the content, and you could be a bit cheeky and use examples from your competitors for this. So important to note here that these aren't individual prompts. I've just provided examples of the elements that go to make up a single prompt, and that's what we're going to look at right now. What happens when you bring all of these elements together? So an okay prompt would be something like, write a social media post for my business, but much better incorporating those 6 elements would be, as a friendly local bakery owner, so here you're asking the AI to assume a role and you're naming the bakery, draft an Instagram caption, very specific there, social media post, what you're looking to achieve, for our loyal customers, specifying your audience, and this is the key objective, to promote our new awesome spiced collection of baked goods. Sound tasty. The Instagram post should target neighborhood residents, audience again, and highlight the use of seasonal ingredients like pumpkin, apple and cinnamon. So some very specific background, even more than background there, some good context and information that the bakery owner wants to get over. Emphasize the cozy, comforting feel of the new item. So now we're getting into style and tone, and our commitment to fresh, homemade quality. So this is sort of the USP of the bakery coming out now. Maintain a warm, inviting, and community-focused tone. So some specifics about tone there. The caption should be concise, under 300 characters, so some specifics. Include 10 hashtags, more specifics, and a clear call to action, which is specified as visiting the shop. And action that the customer needs to take. Ask for a special buy one, get one 50% off on any autumn spice item. So much more detail there altogether. And when you bring all of these elements, just another quick look and a recap: goal, context, persona, tone, specifics. We haven't included examples on this occasion because I'm not actually uploading anything. You are left with this quality prompt. So let's just go over to ChatGPT. So I've just pasted that into ChatGPT and we're going to fire that off, and comes back straight away with a caption: season of cozy flavors has arrived. Our new autumn spice collection is baked fresh with pumpkin, apple and cinnamon, pop in ask for autumn spice offer, buy one get one 50% off, see you soon neighbour. So I think that really does hit the nail on the head in terms of what we actually asked for there. And we've also got the 10 hashtags as well. So job done when it comes to creating a quality effective prompt. Hope you found it useful.